Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So BYND had earnings on Thursday after hours, and then today just pure chaos, huge volume, and the price just, an impressive move. And then the final 30 minutes happen. And again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So the last 30 minutes you can see right here, big old volume. And in the world of charts, assuming you're looking at things from a bullish perspective, a nasty, nasty candle. Now, there is no such thing as a guarantee in the world of the markets. So nobody can sit here and say that for sure the price is pulling back. But if I had to venture a guess, I am highly expecting some sort of pullback next week after this final 30 minutes right here, because that was a very nasty move. So there's a couple levels to keep an eye on as far as supports. Best case scenario support-wise is let's see if the price can stay up here above the 132 mark. You can see during the kind of mid-afternoon, that was right where the price did find some support, did a good job of consolidating out before the price, finally came back to life again. So that would certainly be what I'd consider the near-term level of support. In the event the price does not hold above 132, the next key level of support would be down there right around those consolidation areas, around 125, give or take, a dollar or so. And I get it a dollar or so, but a very volatile stock. So yeah, within a range of a dollar for something like this really isn't that much at all. And then taking a step back from the bigger picture point of view, keep an eye on the overarching level of support, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average on my chart being denoted there by the purple line. Keyword being moving. So next week, meaning that line is going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So keep an eye on that level. I can't really give you a value. Yeah, right now it's 109.05, but moving average, meaning that value will move and change over time. So from a trader perspective, you'll just have to be a little bit more proactive in keeping track of what that current value is. As far as resistance levels are concerned, the party stopped up there at 150, so that would be the key level of resistance next week. But given the formation of this final candle here, like I said, I think the big thing next week is what sort of pullback happens and just how nasty, or who knows, maybe not nasty it gets, but we'll have to sit back and see how it all plays out. I know I'll be watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.